ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। बाल्यादिष्वपि जाग्रदादिषु तथा सर्वास्वस्थास्वपि व्यावृत्तास्वनुवर्तमानमहमित्यन्तस्फुरन्तं सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यो मुद्रया भद्रया तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। Up to Vartika 31 we have seen. Now the concluding Vartika of this shloka of Dakshinamurti. Yuktya upapadite arthe pramanani aha. In what is established through yukti, what is established that pratyabhijna is nothing but Paramatma. Pratyabhijna means that which is not changing from balyadi avastha to kaumaravastha, vruddhavastha ityadi, to yuvavastha, vruddhavastha, and also in Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, that which is recollected as anuvritta, constantly present in all. Yuktya upapadite arthe. So in that now pramanam is given that alone is Paramatma. Kutastha is Brahma. Smriti hi pratyakshamaithi hiya मिथ्यादीन्यपराण्यपि प्रमाणान्याप्तवागाः प्रमाणान्याप्तवागाः प्रमाणान्याप्तवागाः, not pramananya pra, it is not pra, it is ta, pa and ta. If it is incorrect, then you make it clear. Apta, abdash, pratyavijñā prasiddhaye. Smriti, all these are the pramanani. Smriti, pratyaksham, aitihyam, ityadini, aparani api pramanani. Pratyavijñā prasiddhaye aptavak aha. They are the aptavachana. They are the words of the wise people. Kshetrajñam chapi mam vidhi, Bhagavad Gita. So as Paramatma says, I am Kshetrajña. Kshetrajña is the one whose pratyavijña takes place. That Kshetrajña is Paramatma. I am, Bhagavan says. Nacha matsthani bhutani pashyame yogamaishwaram. Now somebody may say, in this Vakya, where is pratyavijña prasiddhi? Nacha matsthani bhutani pashyame yogamaishwaram. Means in me there is no waking, dream, deep sleep. In me there is no balyadi avastha. So they all are vyavritta. And I am in all kshetra. Sarva kshetreshu I am. That means there is anuvritti. इत्याद्या स्मृति. प्रत्यक्षम ब्रह्माहम अस्मि इति विद्वद अनुभव. व्हाट इज द प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण? ब्रह्माहम अस्मि इति दिस काइंड ऑफ विद्वद अनुभव इज देयर. ऐतिह्यम गुरुपदेश वाक्यम तत्वमसि इति. ऐतिह्य प्रमाण गुरु उपदेश वाक्यम तत्वमसि. आदि शब्देन अनुमानम गृह्यते. बाय द आदि शब्द अनुमानम इज टेकन अप. गुरु उपदेश वाक्यम तत्वमसि. सो तत्वमसि says I am Brahma in this way. Om. So तत्वमसि वाक्य ऐतिह्यम गुरुपदेश वाक्यम तत्वमसि इति. आदि शब्देन अनुमानम गृह्यते. नाउ आदि पद is there. स्मृति प्रत्यक्षम ऐतिह्यम इत्यादि. That adi is anumana pramana. What is that anumanam? So here it is given. जीवेश्वरौ न तत्वतो भिन्नौ एकस्वभावत्वे सति उपाधि परामर्शमंतरेण विभाव्यमान भेदवत्वात् आकाशवत् इत्यादि अनुमानम. So अनुमान प्रमाण is also there in प्रत्यभिज्ञा. जीवेश्वरौ तत्वतो न भिन्नौ. दिस इज दी प्रतिज्ञा वाक्य. जीवेश्वरौ इज दी पक्ष. न तत्वतो भिन्नौ इज दी साध्य. एक स्वभावत्वे सति उपाधि परामर्शमंतरेण विभाव्यमान भेदवत्वात्. दिस इज दी हेतु. एंटायर थिंग इज हेतु. एक स्वभावत्वे सति इज एक स्वभाववत्वम इज द विशेषणम. उपाधि परामर्शमंतरेण अविभाव्यमान भेदवत्वात्. भेदवत्वम अप टू दैट विल बी विशेष्य. सो जीव एंड ईश्वर इन एसेंस दे आर नॉट डिफरेंट. जीवेश्वरौ तत्वतो तत्वतः न भिन्नः. भिन्नौ न भिन्नौ. जीव and Ishvara are not different in essence. How do you say? What is the hetu? Eka swabhavatve sati. They have homogeneous nature, means only one nature. Only upadhi is different. So when your attention is on upadhi, then upadhi paramarsha will give the bheda. उपाधि परामर्शम अंतरेण. विदाउट दैट विभाव्यमान भेद अविभाव्यमान भेदत्वात्. देन द भेद विल नॉट बी recognized if you don't keep upadhi in mind. If you keep upadhi in mind, there will be bheda. So upadhi परामर्शम अंतरेण विभाव्यमान भेदवत्वात्. दृष्टांत is like आकाश. आकाशवत. So just as घटाकाश, मठाकाश, करकाकाश, the space in the pot, in the hall, in the jar, jug, in other bigger room, these spaces are same. They are eka swabhava. But upadhis are different. So because of different upadhis, conditionings, they all get different ideas. Means in our mind we think this space is different, that space is different. We say I am in this room space. Right now I am not in hall space. When I am in hall space, then I say I am in hall space. I am not in temple space. And when I am in outside place, so I do not know, there is no casing, there is no enveloping area. So at the most I can say I am in Rishikesh space. This is the Anumanam. Now in this Anumanam, Ekasvabhavatvam is the Visheshanam. Ekasvabhavatvam is the Visheshanam. And you know what is Visheshana Siddhi? Yes or no? Okay. So, because that next word is Nacha Visheshana Siddhi. So, when we say any Anumanam, Parvato Vanniman, Dhumavatvat, the mountain has fire because there is smoke. So, in this, the Hetu is what? Dhumavatvam. The smoke part is the Hetu. This Hetu, it has to be there in Paksha, in the Parvata, when we do Anumanam. If you give a Hetu which is not present in Paksha, for example, if somebody says, Hrido Vanniman Dhumavatvat, between Vanni and Dhuma there is Vyapti. Because Yatra Yatra Dhuma Tatra Tatra Vanni, that Vyapti is there. Yatra Yatra Vanya Bhava Tatra Tatra Dhuma Bhava. But in Hrida, there is no Dhuma. Hrida means in a lake. In lake there is no smoke. Therefore, if you say Hrido Vanniman Dhumavatvat, so there in Paksha there is no Sadhya. There is no Hetu. In Paksha there is no Hetu. So in Paksha when there is no Hetu, it is called Swarupa Siddhi. In Paksha, if there is no Hetu, it is called Swarupa Siddhi. Pakshe Hetva Bhava, Swarupa Siddhi. Now, in the Hetu, if there is Visheshana and Visheshya, so then if Visheshana is not there, but Visheshya is there, then it is called Visheshana Siddhi. And if Visheshya is not there, but Visheshana is there, then it is called Visheshya Siddhi. Visheshana and Visheshya of what? Hetu. Where it should be there? In Paksha. If it is not there, then all these problems will be there. So, Nacha Visheshana Siddhi means, don't think that in Paksha there is no Visheshanam. What is the Paksha? In that Anumanam, Jiveshwarau. Jiveshwarau is the Paksha. So, Jiva and Ishvara have Ekasvabhava. And therefore, there is no Visheshana Siddhi. How do you say Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Prajnana Ghana Eva iti Ubhayosh Chit Swabhavata Shravanaditi. Jiva is Prajnana Ghana. Prajnana Ghana hi eva Ananda Ghana Bhuk. And Ishvara is Satyam. Ishvara means Brahma. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. So both are Jnana Swarupa. One is Prajnana Ghana, another is Satyam Jnanam. In this way, Chaitanya Swarupa is there, or you say one is Satchid Ananda, another is Satyam Jnanam Anantam. So Jnanam is there, both are Chaitanya Swarupa, Chit Swabhavata Shravanat. Aptavak Aha iti. The Aptavak, there, so in the shloka it is given Aptavak Aha. Aptavak means the words of the wise people. Iti. Smritihi pratyakshamaitihyam anumanashchatuštayam etairaditya mandalam सर्वैरेव विधास्यते इति श्रुतेराह इत्यर्थः. So this is also said in the Shruti that Smriti Pratyaksha Smriti Pramana, Pratyaksha Pramana, Smriti means Gita, Manusmriti, etc. Pratyaksha Pramana, Aitihya, Itihasa, Aitihya means Itihasa Pramana. Anumana Pramana, Anuman Chatushtayam, Etaihi, by all these, Aditya Mandalam Sarvaihi Eva Vidhasyate. By all these, Aditya Mandalam is to be understood by all as Vidhasyate Shabda. Vidasyate means it is just enjoining this idea. What is that? Aditya Mandalam iti Adityam Aditya Mandalam iti Adhyatmam Adhidevam cha Aditya Mandalam iti Adhyatmam Adhidevam cha Akshya Aditya Mandalopalikshitam Pratyak Brahma Tattvam Vidhasyate. So what is said in the Adhidaiva and what is there in the Adhibhuta? In what is there in Aditya Mandala is the sun above. So that is Adhideva. And that which is there in the Akshya or Akshya Shabda should be understood as that which is pervading. Aditya Mandala Upalakshitam Pratyak Brahma Tattvam. So that which is there in the Adhyatma alone is there in the Adhidaiva. In this way, that Pratyak Brahma Tattvam alone is revealed Vidhasyate iti Udaharita Shrutyartha. Pratyabhijñā prasiddhaye iti aham brahma brahmaivaham iti brahmatmanoh ekatva prasiddhaye ityartha. So the oneness is that I am Brahma, Brahma is me. In this way, the Pratyabhijñā is revealed. So my infinitude is pointed out. With this shloka is concluded. Saptama shloka vyakhyam upasamharati. Iti Shri Dakshinamurti स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लासे सप्तमोल्लास संग्रहः सो इन दिस वे इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके मानसोल्लासे प्रबंधे in this composition Manasollasa Prabandha, which is Dakshinamurti Stotra Artha Pratipadaka, that which is revealing the meaning of the Dakshinamurti Stotra. In this Prabandha, Saptamo Ullasa Sangraha is Samapta. Seventh Ullasa is completed. Now eighth one. So now everything is very simple. इदानीम उक्तस्यैव सर्वशास्त्रार्थस्य उपसंहारार्थम उत्तर श्लोकः. नाउ व्हाट इज ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड, इट्स समरी सर्वशास्त्रार्थस्य उपसंहारार्थम. उपसंहारार्थ मीन्स फॉर द कंक्लूशन ऑफ दैट उत्तर श्लोकः, द नेक्स्ट श्लोक इज गिवन. प्रकाश व्यतिरेकेण पदार्थः कोऽपि नास्ति चेत् परमार्थोपदेशान्तो व्यवहारः कथं भवेत्. प्रकाश व्यतिरेकेण पदार्थः कोऽपि नास्ति चेत् परमार्थोपदेशान्तो व्यवहारः कथं भवेत्. प्रकाश व्यतिरेकेण कोऽपि पदार्थ नास्ति चेत्. पूर्व पक्षी says that you are saying everything is Brahma, everything is Jnana Swarupa. Prakash here means Jnana Swarupa. Everything is Jnana Swarupa, everything is Brahman. Other than Brahma there is nothing here. Then Paramartha Upadesha Antaha Vyavahara Katham Bhavet. Then how can there be transaction even before Paramartha Upadesha? Paramartha Upadeshantaha means Paramartha Upadesho Antaha Yasya Vyavaharasya Sa Vyavahara Paramartha Upadeshantaha. Before Paramartha Upadesha also how the Vyavahara will go on? If you are saying that other than Brahma there is nothing, even when the teaching is not given, so then how Vyavahara will take place? So that is said here. Vastugatya kalatraye api chit prakasha vyatirekena kopi padartho bhuta bhautika rupo nasti chet. In essence, Vastugatya means in essence, in 3 periods of time also, other than Chaitanya Prakasha, Chit Prakasha Vyatirekena, Kopi Padartha, nothing else, anything, Bhuta Bhautika Rupa Nasti. Bhuta means the 5 elements. Bhautika means product of 5 elements. Nothing is there. This is what Vedanti says. And what do Vedanti say? Traikalika Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogitvam. Means in 3 periods of time, there is non-existence of the world. Traikalika Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogitvam. Chit Prakasha Vyatirekana Kopi Bhuta Bhautika Padartha Rupo Bhauta Bhautika Rupo Padartha Nasti Chet Tada Paramartha Upadeshantaha. What is Paramartha Upadeshantaha? Guroho Tattva Jnana Grahana Upadeshat Prak. Praktano Vyavahara. Prior to the Tattva Jnana Grahanam, so before the teaching is given, prior to that, how will the Vyavahara take place? Sansar Rupa Kim Alambana Syat. Of this Vyavahara, what will be the Alambana? What will be the support? Kasya Bandhash, and then Na Kevalam Etavat. Anyadapi Asti Durghatamiti. Not only this, even other things are not possible. Durghata, Durghatam. Other things are also not possible. Like what? Kasya bandhascha mokshascha badhyate kena hetuna. मायाया लक्षणं किं स्यात् इत्येवं परिपृच्छतः। बध्यते केन हेतुना मायाया लक्षणं किं स्यात् इत्येवं परिपृच्छतः। प्रश्नस्यादुत्तरं वक्तुं प्रतिपत्तुं सुखेन च उक्तोऽर्थः सप्तभिः श्लोकैः पुनः संक्षिप्य कथ्यते। प्रश्नस्यादुत्तरं वक्तुं प्रतिपत्तुं सुखेन च उक्तोऽर्थः सप्तभिः श्लोकैः सो कस्य बन्धः कस्य मोक्षः केन हेतुना बध्यते, who has bondage, who has liberation, because of what a person, a jiva gets bound. How will you answer all this? So we have the answer. It is all Maya. What is Maya? Maya lakshanam kin syat. So all these questions will be there. Not that these questions are not answered. In first 7 shlokas of Dakshinamurti Stotram and in all these Vartika, everything is answered. Now this is just final 8th shloka, because actually it is Dakshinamurti Ashtakam. So 8th shloka is last shloka. So its summary is given. Iti evam paripruchhataha prashnasya uttaram vaktum sukhena pratipattum cha. So in this way, if somebody is asking a question, then paripruchhataha shishyasya, of that shishya, of his questions, sukhena pratipattum, uttaram vaktum sukhena pratipattum cha. So in order to answer this question, and so that easily the student can understand. When will this question come at the end, Two possibilities are there. Either is the student is such that when teacher was teaching earlier, the student was either not paying attention or didn't grasp anything. So he is not Uttama Adhikari. Therefore, you will find generally at the end, the teaching will be in the form of a recap in brief. And at the end, some sadhana also will be given, that you do this. Because Uttama Adhikari, they have already understood what is imparted. And then sometimes what will happen is, even though everything is understood, but because teaching is long, so then teacher should recap, so that the student has the essence of the teaching with him. So now that is presented. In the previous one, where it was said, Adhyatma Adhidaivam cha Akshya Aditya Mandaloplakshitam. So, Akshipurusha means that which is in the eyes, and Aditya, that which is in the solar disk in this space. So, Yaschayam Purusha Yascha Savaditya Sa Ekaha. In that way, Mahavakya was imparted. So here, Sukhena Pratipattum Uktortha Saptabhi Shlokaihi पुनः संक्षिप्य कथ्यते. What is already said in the 7 shlokas, saptabhi shlokaihi ukto artha. What was already said in the 7 shlokas, punaha, once again, sankshipya kathyate. In brief, it is presented. बंध अभावे कस्य मोक्षोपि बंध निवृत्ति रूपत्वात् तस्य इत्यर्थः. मोक्ष इज ओनली ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ एलिमिनेशन ऑफ बॉन्डेज. इफ देर इज नो बॉन्डेज, वेर इज लिबरेशन? बंध अभावे कस्य मोक्षः. एतत् सर्वं मायामयम् इति चेत्, इफ यू से ऑल दिस इज माया, देन व्हाट इज द लक्षण ऑफ माया? तर्हि किं लक्षणा सा इति वक्तव्यम् इत्याह. माया इति एवं परिपृच्छतः प्रश्न स्यात् भवेत्. परिपृच्छतः शिष्यस्य एवं प्रश्नः स्यात्. दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन बी देयर. स्यात् मीन्स भवेत्, and therefore संभावना, it is a possibility. संभावनायां लिंगम. So in that संभावना there is a possibility. That's why that स्यात् word is used. एतस्य प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं वक्तुं गुरुणा शिष्येण च सुखेन प्रतिपत्तुं च पूर्वं सप्तभिः श्लोकैः उक्तोऽर्थः पुनः अस्मिन् अष्टमे श्लोके संक्षिप्य कथ्यते इति योजना. So of these questions, even though there are 4 questions, 4, 5, many questions are asked, but all this is put in singular, एकवचनम् only. एतस्य प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं वक्तुं गुरुणा शिष्येण च, सो वक्तुं गुरुणा प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं वक्तुं 1, शिष्येण च सुखेन प्रतिपत्तुं 2. So 2 things you have to, after guruna if you want, you put a comma. शिष्येण च सुखेन प्रतिपत्तुं च पूर्वं सप्तभिः श्लोकैः उक्तो अर्थः पुनः अस्मिन् अष्टमे श्लोके संक्षिप्य. What is already said in the 7 shlokas, in the 8th shloka, in a summary, in essence, कथ्यते इति योजना. In this way you have to put the words. तत्रापि अशेष शास्त्रार्थश्चेत् सप्तभिः श्लोकैः निर्णितः. And in this case also, in the 7 shlokas, if the शास्त्रार्थ is nirnitah in the 7 shlokas, tada punah kathanam nirarthakam. Then again, why you have to say? Because any repetition is a dosha in our shastra. Paunarukyam na doshotra shabdenarthena va bhavet अभ्यासेन गरीयस्त्व मर्थस्य प्रतिपाद्यते. पौनरुक्त्यं न दोषोऽत्र शब्देनार्थेन वा भवेत् अभ्यासेन गरीयस्त्व मर्थस्य प्रतिपाद्यते. अत्र पौनरुक्त्यं न दोषः. Here punarukti is not a dosha, neither in shabda punarukti nor in artha, because sometimes you repeat the same word, same example. Sometimes you use different words, different examples. So either in shabda there is repetition or in artha there is repetition, but it is not a dosha. Why? Abhyasena gariyastvam arthasya pratipadya. This repetition only establishes that the teaching is so great and difficult that you have to repeat. You have to do abhyasa. So by abhyasena pratipadyate. By repetition it is taught. But repetition is not that same thing is given in same words, same idea. the different acharyas, they will use different examples, different techniques to teach. If you study Tattvabodha, in Tattvabodha, what is the teaching? I am Brahma. If you study Bhagavad Gita, what is the teaching? I am Brahma. In Kathopanishad, what is the teaching? I am Brahma. And in Mandukya Upanishad, what is the teaching? I am Brahma. And in Brahma Sutra, what is the teaching? I am Brahma. In Manasullas Vartika or in Sankshepa Shariraka, teaching is same. But they have different methods and different elaboration. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangra. The name of the text itself is so long. Text is also so long. Teaching is the same, but the way it is presented, explained is different. अत्र अस्मिन् शास्त्रे पौनरुक्त्यं न दोषः. प्रतिपाद्य वस्तुनो अति सूक्ष्मत्वेन सकृदेव दुरधिगम्यत्वादित्यर्थः. Anandji, you don't have to leave for class? प्रतिपाद्य वस्तुनो अति सूक्ष्मत्वेन सकृदेव दुरधिगम्यत्वाद इत्यर्थः. So the प्रतिपाद्य वस्तु is Sakrideva. Once if it is explained, then it is, because very subtle, it is difficult to understand. Arthasya brahmatma vastunah gariyastvam shruti tatparya gocharatvam. The shruti tatparya is very difficult to grasp, which is in the form of I am Brahma. That's why they present it in different ways, this teaching. Now the next shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram. Vishwam pashyati karya karanataya swaswami sambandhatah शिष्याचार्यतया तथैव पितृपुत्राद्यात्मना भेदतः स्वप्ने जागृति वा य एष पुरुषो माया परिभ्रामितस्तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये. Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Shri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Who is this teacher Dakshinamurti? Vishwam Pashyati Karya Karanatya. The one who sees this world as cause and effect. Vishwam Karya Karanatya Pashyati. And Swaswami Sambandhatah, or as I am the Sevaka, somebody is Swami, or I am Swami, somebody else is Sevaka, in this way. So, this kind of hierarchy is seen, relations are seen. Tatha eva Shishya Acharyataya, I am Shishya, somebody is Acharya, I am Acharya, somebody is Shishya. Pitru Putradhyatmana Bhedatah, and somebody is Pita, somebody is Putra. All relations, basically cause effect or different relations, whether worldly relations, social relations, spiritual relations, Vedic relations, or the hierarchy. Any relation, any association, all of this in waking or in dream, swapne jagrati va. Who sees yaha esha purusho maya paribhramitah. Yaha esha maya paribhramitah purusha. The one who is deluded by maya, he sees this. Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Shri Dakshinamurtaye idam nama. To that is the salutation. You found the page number? What is the page number? Page number is 139. In this tika. I don't know which tika you have. यः एषः पुरुषः कार्यकारणभावेन स्वामिभृत्यभावेन वा. So this Purusha, he sees this world as either Karya Karana Bhava or Swami Bhritya Bhava or Shishya Acharyataya, Shishya and Acharya, disciple, student. Means Dakshinamurti alone is playing all roles. Father, son, Guru, Shishya, Swami, Sevaka, Karya Karana. Everything is one Dakshinamurti only. Tatha पितृ पुत्र भ्रातृ दृहितृ मातुल श्वशुराद्यात्मना वा. फादर, सन, ब्रदर, डॉटर, mama, matula means mama, uncle, father-in-law, all these. येन केनापि प्रकारेण देव तिर्यंग मनुष्यादि रूपेण च भेदतः भेदवत्तया, and in any other form also as humans, animals, devata, all of these bhedas are also swapne jagrati va, in waking or in dream. Vishwam pashyati maya, he sees the whole world through maya. What is that maya? Anadi anirvachaniya, अनिर्वचनीयया अज्ञानात्मिकया परिभ्रामितो मोहितः. By the anadi anirvachaniya ajnana swarupa maya, by that this jiva who is deluded, paribhramitah mohitah, achadya vikshipta san na paramarthatah. Mohita means is covered, and therefore he has no idea who he is, what is he doing. He just lives in this false identity. In reality he has not become anything different. In reality he is always Brahma, but thinks himself as different. Who? Dakshinamurti. Tasmai pratyagrupaaya tattva-jnana nivritta maya vibramaya. He is Pratyagrupa, Atmaswarupa, and Tattvajnanena Nivritta Maya Vibramo. Yasya Saha Tattvajnana Nivritta Maya Vibrama. Tasmai Tattvajnana Nivritta Maya Vibramaya Shri Gurumurtaye iti Uktartham. This is the meaning of this shloka. Very simple. Shloka Vyakhyam Prati Janite. Now he says, okay, we will do the Shloka Vyakhya. Asyayam Abhisandhi. This is the connection here. Abhisandhi means this is the context. Ekasmin eva akhandananda chidatmani yavad vidya avidya na upohyate. In one homogeneous, undivided Akhandananda Chaitanya Swarupa, until by knowledge ignorance is not eliminated, tavat sarvo vyavahara, until then all vyavahara will go on because of avidya. That avidya is otherwise also known as maya, avyaktam, iti abhidhana abhidheya anadi anarvachaniya ajnana vilasita prapancha alambano na virudyate iti abhipratya. There is no contradiction in the vyavahar as far as vyavahar is concerned. Means it will go on in the form of cause effect, guru shishya, swami sevaka, pita mata, brother, father, son, husband, wife, whatever. Everything will go on in avidya, maya, avyakta. So this anadi anirvachaniya ajnana vilasita prapancha alambano vyavahara. Vyavahar has this ajnanam as its support. Ajnanam is supporting all this vyavahara, and it will not have any problem. That is explained in this shloka. Swayam prakashe sadrupe pyekasmin parameshware कार्यकारणसम्बन्धा द्यनेकविधकल्पना स्वयं प्रकाशे सद्रूपे प्येकस्मिन् परमेश्वरे कार्यकारणसम्बन्धाद्यनेकविधकल्पना. So in Swayam Prakasha Sadrupa Parameshwara, self-effulgent, pure existence in Parameshwara, ekasmin, in that one, Karya Karana Sambandhadi Anekavidha Kalpana, these are the kalpanas created, cause, effect, all various relations, etc. Actually, it is Swayam Prakasha, so there is no bheda, there is no distinction possible. Ekamapi anekadha vyavaharaspadaṁ bhavati iti atra drashtantamah. That one alone can become many in that now. Vyavaharaspadaṁ means vyavahara vishayam. In that drashtanta is given, which we will see after 3 days now on Vijayadashmi day. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.